Hey guys, welcome back to Girls Who Grub. It's your girl Shayda and we are here with another mukbang today. I have a very special guest. I have my mom with me. Say hello.
Hi.
We got some food from Boiling Crab here in San Diego, California. We got a lobster, some king crab, some shrimp, potatoes, corn, and a little bit of rice. That's all we got, right? We didn't get anything else?
I think that's all we got.
I think that pretty much covers it. We had to drive really far to get this there and back, and we haven't really eaten much today, and she's ready to bite my head off already, so let's just get into it.
I am ready to eat.
All right. Gotta put these bibs on because it's about to go down. Okay.
What are you gonna start with?
I have no idea. I think maybe crab, right? Or should we do a shrimp to just start it off? What are you gonna get? I'm gonna go for this shrimp.
Let's see.
Ooh. I'm not gonna be able to tell if anything's in focus, just an FYI, because the camera is very far away and I need contacts. Oh my god. Oh, it's so good.
I have been waiting for this for over a month, girl.
I haven't had boiling crab in so long.
This is how it's done.
Oh yeah, we got some butter right there. I really hope that the sound is recording. I forgot to check the sound beforehand. Oh my god. That's so good. Wow. I'm going straight for a crab.
Yes.
I never used to suck shrimp heads, but I don't know, all of a sudden I'm doing that now. She's not gonna talk.
I have not eaten since breakfast.
Neither have I.
This is serious business.
We should have had a snack. Thank you.
There we go.
There's a bone in here.
Bone?
Oh, what did you give me? I really want this potato.
Oh, I can never get tired of this.
Wow, this is so good. Okay, I'm thinking about this lobster. Hopefully.
I think that has my name on it.
This?
Yes. Come on.
Fine. Ugh. I never ordered lobster here. Ever. It's my first time.
Really?
Yeah. I don't think we would ever get lobster. A little bit of meat. Oh wow. I'm like, should we heat up this sauce?
I am in heaven.
It's really good. I want corn. Oh yeah. I really hope the focus situation is okay. I have no idea.
I think we needed more napkins.
You don't suck the shrimp heads, do you?
Nope.
No.
Too many loose stuff on it.
Yeah. Ah!
I think I'm ready for a potato.
The potatoes are good.
Yeah?
Do you want me to hand you one?
Yep.
There you go.
Can I just bite into it?
Yeah. I mean, how else? Ew. I've never eaten like not cleaned lobster like this.
Do you want me to help you?
Yeah, I think I do. I'm getting grossed out. Oh. Excuse me. Oh, we didn't even bring. Oh, you do have all the tools here. Did you have to use the tools on the crab?
No, they have nicely cut everything for you.
Oh wow, it's because I said I was gonna do a video. I think that's why.
Okay.
Or
here
maybe
you
they
go.
just do that. Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Some lobster. I'm gonna dip that in my sauce. And then some butter. Yeah. I did not clean that shrimp all the way.
I love the sauce they have.
I know. We got the whole shebang, which is like the Cajun mixed with the garlic butter with lemon something. I don't know.
I think it's heaven.
All of it together. Because we like that flavor over here. Mmm. What?
I think you're feeding your hair.
I mean, my hair probably wants some too. Oh. I feel like I need another plate.
I wasn't sure after all the seafood you had in Portland that you're gonna do this.
Yeah, well, I'm about to go be on my own for God knows how long, so I have to get my fix while I can. My face is gonna be covered in sauce. I'm not gonna know. I'm not gonna care either. If you're new to the channel and you like what you see so far, feel free to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss when I post, and give it a thumbs up. You know, let us know you like what you see.
This is hard work.
I know, but it's fun. It's like a meal and therapy at once. You just like imagine that the crab leg is somebody that you're really pissed off at.
I don't need that kind of therapy.
You don't? Oh, I do. I'm full of rage. Excuse me.
Oh my goodness.
My hands are so bad right now.
I think on my 4th napkin.
I haven't had crab yet besides the piece you gave me. I wish they had like given us bigger legs. I don't know if I messed that up, but these are like little king crabs.
The work is still the same.
It's harder when the legs are small like this, actually, I think, because the shell is tougher, at least in my experience.
But thank God for the tools.
Yeah, I bought this kit off Amazon for like 20 bucks.
Is that right?
Yeah, because I did a video one time and I learned my lesson, so I did not have the proper tools. Just ignore the faces I make when I am opening this crab, because I'm like, oh, okay.
You did it! All in one piece. Good job.
Thank you. See, we used to live in Alaska back in the day, so my mom is kind of a pro with king crab, because my dad used to go fishing and catch them. Or they used to go together. Should I plug in a photo of you guys holding? Yum.
Yes, the king crabs there. Oh, the legs.
Legendary. Yeah. How many legs have you gone through?
I think 2.
Do you think we'll finish all this?
You have to wait and see.
I wouldn't be surprised if we did. It doesn't look like it's that much, right? Or am I crazy? Maybe I'm just hungry. I was telling her, she was getting so mad at me while I was getting ready. She's like, Shayda, I'm about to eat your head off. Like, I can't do this. And I'm like, no, it's fine. Like, now you get the full mukbang experience. You know, taking long to get ready, getting super hungry, like to the point of getting just like hangry and pissed off. And then you just go ham on the food. The way God intended.
If you had put that much energy in your exams. Right?
You act like I don't, okay?
I don't know, do you?
I try.
Anyhow, she does really love this. So she does put a lot of energy into it.
Yeah, it's that ADHD. You hyper focus on what you're passionate about.
Yes. And it's lovely to watch, I must say.
Thanks, Mom.
And I'm not just biased because I'm your mom. You have to do what you have passion for.
True.
And clearly you get this from me. Food, food, food.
Honestly, I think our whole family starved to death in a past life.
That or we were kings and queens.
Yeah, maybe that. She's always like, oh, I must have been royalty in the past life. I shouldn't be driving myself around.
So I was born to be driven.
She's like, I'm not supposed to work.
But I do work hard.
You do. You really do. Okay.
I want to say I'm done, but I don't feel done.
I want to say you're done. Lie detector detected. That was a lie. Ooh. I'm like a little weirded out about how the butter is cold but hasn't hardened. Like, what is it?
Well, it was next to the stuff that was hot.
I know, but regular butter, like when I make crab at home, after I melt it, like within a few minutes,
I see.
it starts to harden again. So this is something else. Maybe. I don't know.
Which one did you like the best?
I'm honestly really feeling the shrimp today for some reason. But I don't know.
Should I try sucking on one?
Yeah, suck ahead. See how you feel. It's a beautiful day to try new things.
I don't know. Oh my goodness, Shayda.
Yum. It's like almost more fun to do it when you're here next to me. Cause I can just be like, ha. When I burp by myself, I'm like, oh my god, sorry.
Have sauce on your chin.
Oh, well. I think I knew that. Better or no? Okay.
God help the patients I have to see tomorrow because this is all garlic.
Well, brush your teeth. Like, what do you mean? You think it's gonna ooze through your body? Is that what you mean?
I think so.
Maybe. I feel like I always, like, okay, don't take this the wrong way. I smell good, but I feel like my armpits smell like onions because of how much onion and garlic I eat.
It's very possible. Are you swallowing a lot of air? What's going on?
I don't know. When I eat, this is what happens. Do I just breathe heavy? Am I getting too excited?
Do we have more potato?
Yeah, but I stole it.
You did.
There was only two, or there were three of them, and I took two, sorry. I assumed you would only want one. And I didn't ask.
You assumed even though I was the one who ordered it.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Well, usually I feel like you're not the one, or maybe that's Dad who doesn't eat potato. I don't know.
Well, I lost my bib.
Oh no. The sauces are like cold and it's throwing me off. I feel like we should have warmed them up first.
I am completely satisfied.
Good, I'm happy for you. I still have lots of work to do.
What work?
Unless you want to crack crabs for me. Make yourself useful.
So, why don't you cut it?
Why don't you cut it?
Mama to the rescue.
I haven't even drank water because I don't want to open my bottle like this. I need more napkins.
Maybe you can use your pick to pick that up.
Thank you.
You want me to open one more for you?
Yes, please.
You want to pick your leg?
Just choose a good one for me.
Oh my god, it's filled with sauce.
See, I don't know that I like that because the sauce is very concentrated. Like I was trying to enjoy a knuckle, but they're exposed, so it gets all the sauce and it's a little much. Oh yeah, baby. Oh shit.
Here you go.
Gracias. Okay. Okay, I think I'm getting there. I'm gonna eat the shrimp, maybe a little bit of rice. And call it a day.
Here's another piece.
I honestly don't think I want that.
You don't want it?
No. Also, if you guys want and you haven't already, you can follow me on Instagram at Girls Who Grub. I post food pictures there all the time. You know, you can DM me, let me know if there's a place, either in San Diego, Portland, or New York that I should try out, or even in your city. Maybe I'll go there one day when quarantine ends. Feel free to tag me in your food pics for a chance to be featured on my story. And then you can also follow me on TikTok. It's Girls Who Grub, but with only one V, not two V's like my Instagram. I don't understand TikTok. I'm really trying to learn, but like, I'm not Gen Z. I made the cutoff for millennial, and it doesn't really come as naturally to me. But I'm trying. What's your status? Are you still going, or are you done?
My stomach is full, but my eyes are not.
I can't decide if I want more corn or if I just want to stop. Ew, do people eat this? I guess they do since they like opened it, but like,
You don't have to touch it.
I just want to show them.
I don't think that's the part to be seen.
Woo! That's nasty. We'll just hide that over there. Have you hit a wall yet? Should we end it?
Are you sure you don't have any more potato?
I ate it. There were only 3 of them. I'm sorry. Very sorry.
Don't be sorry.
I feel like there's stuff in my teeth, probably all over my face, but okay, well, the recording stopped for a second because we hit 30 minutes. But I just want to say thank you to my mom for joining me for this video. This was super fun, and I've been wanting to get one of my parents in a video with me for a while now, and it is not an easy task, so you better comment and say nice things about her. But
Well, thanks for including me. It was fun.
yeah, of course, and thanks for paying. Any last words?
Be happy. Enjoy your life. And next time, I think we need 2 lobsters.
Yeah, I think so too. It would have looked pretty also. But yeah, guys, I hope you had a fun time watching. This was super delicious. Thank you to Boiling Crab for providing very delicious food. As always, I love Boiling Crab, and I missed it. It hadn't been so long, but yeah, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. Give the video a big thumbs up to show us some love. Like I said, you can follow me on Instagram if you want, at Girls Who Grub. Follow me on TikTok, say what's up, let's be friends. And other than that, I will see you in the next video. Bye.